Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Practice English with Rakesh. If you are new in my channel, then I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rakesh and I create practice English related video like in slow motion. So in this video today, I'm going to share I'm going to share my today routine. What all did I do today and how was my day today? Because why I'm sharing this, because if you want to speak English, then you have to do the same thing every day. Like after sunset, yeah, you can say after dinner, you have to speak in front of camera, yeah, in front of mirror, and you have to speak your day routine. What did you do all day? So that is the perfect method to speak English, to learn how to speak. So there is no need to speak fluently, there is no need to speak fast, just first think, then speak. So let's start the video. So today, as usual, I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Then I opened my eyes and I stayed on bed just for 5 minutes. Then I got up and I turned on my heater switch. You can say I turned on heater to heat the water. So I turned on the heater and I heated the water. Then I drank 2 glasses of lukewarm water. And today I mixed black salt in the lukewarm water. Because why did I add black salt? Because if you drink lukewarm water with half spoon of black salt, then it will clean your intestine. Okay, so then after drinking that water, I grabbed my towel and I went to washroom. I had so first actually I pooped there, then I massaged my body with oil. I filled water in my bucket. Okay, I filled warm water in my bucket. So in our home, I would like to tell you that in our home we have we have got solar system fixed in our rooftop. So that solar system actually heat the water in sunlight. So when we go to bathroom, yes, when we go to washroom, so we just turn on the tap and warm water come out. So then I poured water on my body. I applied shampoo. I lathered that shampoo. Okay. I wiped after that. I wiped my body with towel. I came out from the washroom. Then in home yard there was a pot. Okay. So I filled that pot with fresh water from tap, because that time when I came out after having shower, that time fresh water was in tap, was coming in tap, you can say. Okay, so I filled that pot and so I offered one pot of fresh water to God Shun. Then I came to my room and I just sat down to do yoga. After 5 minutes, my dad called and my dad said, two woodcutter have come in our home. They actually sat down in the on the home yard. So today yesterday I actually called woodcutter to cut wood in our home. Okay. So because of heavy rain, this rainy season, because of heavy rain in our field, in our field, two big tree fell down. Okay. So I didn't get a chance to cut that tree. Okay. So yesterday I called two woodcutters to cut that tree and make small piece of the wood to burn that wood in our hearth in kitchen. So that woodcutter was sitting in the home yard. Then I came out from my room and I just greeted them and I said, let's go. I will show you the tree. I will show you the fallen tree. Giraupid, we can say. But then they said, we wanted to take tea first. So I went to kitchen and I made tea. I made tea for two-person and offered them tea. After that, I took them to that place where tree fell down. Then I showed them the tree and they started cutting the wood. Then I came back to home yard and entered in my room and started doing yoga again. I did yoga, okay, and I also did some hard stretching exercise. So I was trying that stretching exercise for a long time, like for 15-20 days, but I couldn't do that stretching exercise. But today I succeed. So I got confidence. So I have completed yoga at 9 o'clock. Then I took rest for 5 minutes and I after that I had some fruits. First I had some fruit, then I walked up to my kitchen and I had food. Not It's not a breakfast. I just eat two-time meal. So I had food at 10 o'clock in morning. So today in our kitchen, yeah, in food, we can say, yeah. So today in food, black black gram, like a chane. So black and white gram was made like in sabji, and chapatis were made. Okay, so black gram was made. That is passive sentence. Okay, I'm not talking about the person who actually made that food. I'm just talking about the things. Okay, so if you are talking about the things that chapati banai gai, so kisne, who made chapati? I don't want to mention that person, so you have to speak that sentence in passive voice. Okay, then these days I'm taking supplement like a immunity boost supplement, so I took that supplement. Then I went to that place where woodcutter was working. So I saw how they were working and how much work they have done. Then I came to my room and I opened my laptop and I sat on my chair and I started working. So I started working like my work. Okay. So I spent 3-4 hours on my working. Okay. Then today, so that two woodcutter. So we have to make food to that two woodcutter. So my mom came and my mom said, "Can you please?" My mom said, "Could you please come with me, help me to make lunch to that two woodcutter?" I said, "Yes, okay." because that's my mom order. So can't I can't procrastinate that my mom order. So I went to kitchen and I made rice and pearls to that two woodcutter with my mom. Then I went to that place and I called that woodcutters to have lunch. Then they then I we offered lunch to that woodcutters, okay? And after that I also offered food to my fathers and mother. Then then actually I wanted to take a rest just for half hour. But my dad said there is one tree there is one tree actually have fallen in like far like 300 meters far from our home, okay, in our place. So you have to go with that two woodcutters to show that tree to them. So I didn't go because actually I wanted to do work here, but my father went there, that place, to that woodcutter. My father brought them to that place. After after half an hour, I also grabbed towel and went there. Then I saw my father was working on field, and my father was just you can say removing some weed from the field. Then I saw the woodcutter was not there. So I asked. Then my father said they have completed their work and they went. Oh, that's good. So I saw. So that woodcutter actually just made the piece of you can say log, small piece of log. So we actually what we did. So we actually lift. We both, me and my dad, lifted that small log, okay, tree log, to the place like in a plain area. Okay, so actually I kept there in the plain area, and after that I actually lifted one wood log on my shoulder and I returned to my home. Then my dad also, I returned to my home, and after that, that two woodcutter was working to another person's field, and they were actually cutting tree for another person. So they got more work here. So that's a good thing. So I just went to that place and give them 2,500 rupees for their wage. Okay, you can say their salary. And after that, I came back and we can say, yeah, I just wanted to take a rest, but I couldn't take rest. So uh, I did some work. Again, I did some work, and after that, at 5 o'clock, I came. I went out. I went out from my room to home yard. My father was sitting on the chair. So my father said, so the woodcutter actually they have cut so many wood in small pieces. So we have to lift that pile of wood, small piece. We have to lift to our to our you can say land, because that tree actually fell to another person's field. So we have to lift that wood, small piece of wood, to shift to our land. Okay, so we did that work, and my sister-in-law was making dinner while we were working. Then my mom also were doing some field work. Okay, then I went to somewhere to bring guava, fresh guava. Okay, and I took that guava, and after that, yeah, I just stroll here and there, like in home yard, okay, in our field, and I actually took some good fresh air, And after that I did some yoga stretches again in evening time and went to kitchen and I had dinner. Then I came and then I walked down to my room, okay, and yeah, I did some work. I uploaded some video on my YouTube channel, and I thought I should also shoot video for my English channel. So here, because why actually I did shoot? Because the thing is that no matter how how much I was tired, no matter, but I had to practice English. So it's my responsibility to practice. So first I think, before making the video, first I think what did I do all the day, and how can I speak, in with sentence. First I think, then I I came in front of camera and express everything. So that's all about for today. So I hope you can understand what I'm saying. Okay, so you can also start like this, okay, at home. So you will be fluent within uh, 5 and 6 months. Okay, so there are lots of channel in YouTube who actually teach English, but you can you can actually you can learn, you can speak when you take first step and start learning. Okay, so I hope I actually I inspired you to speak, to practice. So thank you very much for watching this video. Take care.